Beer 30, no! It's not time yet. Job is not complete. This cold air intake was much easier.
And then just hope the weather plays nice.
2008, sorry, 2007 Ram 1500 cold air intake. I was like, hey, this goddamn thing is way too long. That's not fitting over here. And that's a weird oval shape. And that's not fitting on that. Like, I take that off. Alright, so then you take it off. And then you're like, well, I took off the whole damn thing. It's like, how does this metal box work? Well, it fits on top. Fits on top of the bottom. So you take the top off, but you don't take the bottom off. And? Anyways. So, I was like, so it just clips on with those nice little clips. Yeah, rattles like hell. So, we're gonna make it real nice right here. Hold on. And that's when the zip ties go into effect. Yep. Make sure you got a little clipper. Yeah. And just clip them off, right at the end there. So you can have a lot hanging and you can stab you later. One other thing is, I gotta get one of these things right here. Because this hose is way too long. Get one of these right here. You're like, wow. And just cut that wherever you want. Alright, update in a minute.